Hi guys, you are watching Tarot with S, and we are going to do a weekly check-in for the third week of September. Let's see how your week of September is going to be. Alright, so the first card we have is the Six of Swords. Then we have the Hangman, followed by the Two of Cups. I hope you can see it. Then we have the Ten of Wands. We have the Judgment. We have the Empress. And then we have the last card that we have is the Five of Wands. All right, so overall what I can see is, um, you guys are finally going to move on from something. I think from a certain situation that was not serving you well. Maybe you are going to cut your ties with somebody, or maybe you're finally going to get the closure that you were looking for from your ex. The guidance for this week is that you have to let go of situations that are beyond your control. I think you have to learn how to just let go, and go with the flow of life. Whatever life throws at you, you have to go in the flow of it, because if you do, only then are you going to reach the stage which is the Two of Cups. When you start enjoying life, when when you're actually at a point where you are open to kind of sharing, um, your glass, your cup with somebody else. You'll be open to exchanging what sort of things you've done in life, or what sort of experiences that you have been through in life. I think for a lot of you, you are finally, going to walk away from a situation. In the past, there might be a possibility, for all the people, who are singles. I think you might meet somebody very soon. And for the others, I think at work, there's also a possibility of, meeting somebody from work with the Ten of Wands card, meeting somebody at work. And also at the bottom of the deck, you have the Emperor. So with the Emperor card, I think there is, for a lot of you, this week is going to be, very focused on career. So I see, two things that are basically, shouting out. One is your career, and I think other one is your love life. A lot of you, are taking the blame for, things that are not working well in your relationship. And you are thinking, that the things have not worked out in your relationship because, you were not putting in complete effort. What you do need to realize is, I think a relationship requires two people, exchanging their feelings, exchanging their emotions equally. So try not to be in, that energy. Communicate. A lot of communication is required. If you're waiting to hear the result of something, it is coming soon. I think a lot of people who are in a relationship and going through this phase, moving on, leaving toxic people, exchanging, if you meet somebody, that person, that new person might have a karmic connection with you with the Judgment card, followed by the Empress. So a lot of people, who are actually looking for, getting pregnant and all, or starting new projects, that is a possibility. But the thing you have to kind of realize is, try not to argue with people. I see a lot of scattered energy, scattered in a sense that there might be a lot of opposition. So what you think might be different from what the other person thinks. So yeah, you need to focus on that and not get into any arguments during the week. Let's get a couple of cards from our Whispers of Lord Ganesha oracle cards, and let's see what we have coming ahead for us. All right, so first card that we have is Be Candid. Just like I said before, you have to communicate really well. You have to let go of situation, and you have to say the situation as it is. What you are feeling, you have to say it out, which kind of works with your Five of Wands and the Ten of Wands card, because with Wands energy here, it's like you're taking the entire blame of the relationship on yourself. And with the Five of Wands, it's possibly that your energy is scattered, and you are having a lot of arguments. So with Be Candid card, that's what it tells you. You have to kind of communicate, be more open to the ideas of others. Another guidance card that we have is nurture. So you have to open yourself, to nurturing the other person. You have to have acceptance in terms of, how they are, what they are. You just have to accept them. You have to nurture, this relationship that you have. I think the result with the Empress card, there's a possibility, when you nurture, your relationship, there's a possibility of, having a new beginning, having a new start, your person taking, a more positive or a more optimistic approach in their life. So this is the overall energy. So we have two oracle cards. So we have number 25, be candid, and number 38, nurture.